So what are decorators? Well, decorators are attributes that we apply to our classes and their members, and with this we can change how they behave. They're frequently used in Angular and Vue applications. For example, you might have a class called Profile Component. Now, by applying the component decorator, we can convert this class to a component for a web application. Now here we have a compilation error because TypeScript doesn't have this component or any built-in decorators, so we have to create our own. And that's why these frameworks like Angular and Vue, they come with a bunch of built-in decorators like component, pipe, and so on. Now under the hood, this decorator is just a function that gets called by the JavaScript runtime. So the JavaScript runtime, or the JavaScript engine that executes our code, is going to call that function and pass our class to it. Now in that function, we have a chance to modify this class. So we can add new properties, we can add new methods, or we can change the implementation of existing methods. I'm going to show you various examples in this section. Now, before we can create any decorators, first we have to enable a special compiler option because decorators are an experimental feature and their standards and implementation might change in the future. So let's go to our tsconfig file. Here in the language and environment section, we have a setting called experimental decorators. Let's turn that on. Good. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to create your first decorator.